Hello guys, my name is Tigran and I am the creator of this course. In this short video, I will give you an overview of what we are going to learn. In this course, we are going to set up our first simple test automation framework with C# and RestSharp with the minimum set of tools. We will use C# as a programming language, NUnit as a test runner, and RestSharp as a tool to interact with API via code. We are going to learn this topic from scratch to advanced level. At the beginning of the course, you will understand what API and web services are. Then we will learn different API types and discuss REST API architecture in more details. Finishing the theoretical part, we will cover understanding of HTTP methods and status codes. After that, in the practical part, we will install Postman on our computer and proceed with our Trello account setup for educational purposes. Having done that, we will have our environment up and running for further work. The following part will be to set up a simple C# application with the help of RestSharp. It will just pin Trello's base URL via code and print the request and response in the console. Our next step will be learning how to test each of the most frequently used HTTP methods. We will check everything from HTTP status codes to response as the JSON schema validation in the response body. After that, we will be ready to discover how to perform validation testing of RESTful endpoints. The next step will include real-life examples using main HTTP endpoints. We will create our test automation framework with RestSharp step by step. Each lecture with HTTP methods testing in Postman will be following with a practical coding example. Each practical coding example means that all the interactions with Postman will be duplicated as C# code in RestSharp. Gradually, we will have a big test automation framework set up and ready for Trello's API health checks. This course will have two bonus parts. The first one will be to create an automated test inside Postman, given all the required information you may need for that. The second one will be to run our automated tests via the command line. With the achieved architecture, you can set up your own test framework and run your regression tests on the daily basis. And what is extremely important regarding this course is that you will get tons of code examples. So you could use them in your projects or during the learning. All the examples are made on the basis of real-life cases of web application API testing. There are no abstract examples from books that just don't have to understand the topic. This course is based on real-life cases that will help you to learn the right things in the right way. Enough talks. Let's start our course. See you in the next lesson.